Hello everybody, once again welcome back to my channel Fat Free Life, and today I'm going to make oats chilla. As we can make many more things with these chillas, like oats pizza, and we can convert this pizza into the wraps, that is the oats wrap. As you all know that oats is a gluten free and it is a low carb, and this is the yummiest recipe and very fulfilling and satisfying. And I'm Dr. Neelam and I am a nutritionist, and I make low calorie recipes and diet plans for healthy weight loss. So let's start making oats chilla. So we need oats. For that I am just taking 1 bowl of oats, and this is the curd, 1 bowl of curd, and you need water also for that. I'll take ginger, at least half an inch of ginger, 1 green chili, and you need coriander for this. This is the only few ingredients which are required to make the tastiest oats chillas. So now what we'll do, we'll just mix everything in a grinder and we'll make paste out of it. If you are not having curd, you can even take buttermilk, or you just grind this curd with the water, it will become buttermilk. Now you have to take oats and put it in the pan, and we'll roast these oats for a few minutes so that it will become more crispy and it will become more tasty. You don't have to toast it for a long time, just for a few minutes, and like this, and just saute it for a few minutes, and then you have to take the grinder and just grind it in the grinder. And then we'll use the oats powder to make our oats chilla. As you all know that oats are very healthy, and it is the best if we will use these oats for breakfast or even for dinner. And I'm just telling you how we can have oats even in our lunch. So you can have these oats chillas or oats pizza or the wraps even for the lunch also. We can easily replace our gluten chapati, like the wheat chapati, with these oats. And as you all know that it has lots of fiber in it, and because of it has lots of fiber in it, this fiber binds with the fat in our body and just takes out the fat of our body. So everybody knows that the oats are very good for the heart patients. It is very beneficial for the cholesterol patients and even for the diabetic patients. So overall it's a very healthy for anybody who wants to maintain their weight, or those who want to reduce their weight, or those who want to eat healthy diet. And the best thing about it is that it is gluten free, it is low carb, it is very healthy and helps in reducing many health problems. So it's done now. I'll just take it into a plate, and we'll just wait for another few minutes so that it will cool down. And after few minutes we'll just grind it, and we'll just make a powder out of it. I generally make very healthy recipes on my channel. You can easily incorporate these recipes in your diet whenever you are on any diet or you are maintaining your weight. These recipes will definitely help you. Now I am just grind this and make a fine powder of the oats like this. So in this video I'll show you how to make oats chillas, and this is the easiest way of incorporating oats into your diet. Now it is done, and so now instead of using the buttermilk, I am adding this curd. I'll just add this curd to the oats, and I'll mix water also with it, so it will ultimately become buttermilk only. So if you are taking 1 bowl of oats, you have to take 1 bowl of curd, and then you can mix water to it. Now I'll add some amount of water. Now this is the water. Don't make it very loose or very liquidy. You have to make it a semi consistency, maintain it. Now I'm adding ginger slice to this grinder, and I'm adding chilies, green chilies. You can even add red chilies or black pepper if you like. And now I'm adding pink Himalayan salt to this. This is the pink Himalayan salt. You just add according to your taste, and the exact measurements of everything you will get it on my website. So just visit my website for exact ingredients. This is the black pepper. And now this is the paste, oats paste. I think it's a bit thick, but let's try one chilla with this, then we'll see what happens, and how much we have to adjust the consistency. We'll do it later on. So now this is the smallest spoon I have. So what you have to do, you just have to take this is the ghee I'm using. It's better to eat ghee whether you are on a weight loss diet or any diet. It's the healthiest ghee or the oil medium which you can give to your body. So now I'll add some coriander leaves. You can chop it with the knife also. I'm just chopping it with my fingers, my hands, and we'll just add it into the oats batter. So now we'll just make chilla out of it. Don't try to make it as perfect, because it will not come perfect, because the basic nature of the oats is very sticky. So it's better to do it slowly. It's so sticky that it will come it will not give you the uniform shape, so it's okay. So I'll just try to make it uniform. I'll keep on adding some oats to the borders of the chilla to give it the round shape like this, and it's a bit big struggle actually, but it's okay. And don't worry if it tears apart also, just add some more paste over that area and it will fuse again. That is the best part of the oats consistency. So like this, and it will take another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes we'll just flip it, and we'll just add some more ghee to the area, and then we'll just flip it. See, now it's better now. It's nearly round, much better than before. I'll just cover it for some time so that it will cook very well. Now we'll just flip it. Yeah, it's ready. Now we'll flip it. I'll just add a little ghee to this. I'm adding more of salt to my batter. I'm adding a little bit of water also, as this one which I made, it is a bit thicker, so I want a loose consistency for my second oats chilla. So this is the chilla which is ready. You can have it as a chapati. You can just replace your chapatis if you are on a gluten-free diet or if you are on a weight loss journey. So now this one is having the thinner consistency. As you can see, I have added a bit of water and salt to this. Now it's spreading much better than what it was with the previous consistency. So I think it's done now, and now I'll just check it. I've done some patchwork wherever it was tearing. So now our oats chilla is ready. As you can see, this is much better, thinner than the earlier one. So the consistency of this batter matters when you make it. So now it's done. You can have this chilla. You can replace your gluten chapati, wheat chapati with this, or you can have it in your dinner if you are on a regular diet. And you can even have that pizza, oats pizza like this, and you can even make the this is the wraps I have made from the same oats chilla. So for checking out the recipe of making these wraps and pizzas, so just continue to my playlist and I'll make them soon in my next video. So just have your oats chilla and just make it and eat it and let me know how it taste. So if you like my video, just subscribe to my channel so for watching such healthy weight loss recipes, and press the like button if you like my recipe. And if you want to see these recipes in Hindi, then you can go to my Hindi channel. That's name is also Fat Free Life. You can follow us on different social media platforms, and you will find us there also. And if you want to see this exact ingredients, you can just visit our website, that is www.fatfreelife.com. Thank you for watching.